Hello, good morning and welcome to my vlog. This is Random Life Productions and today I've gone back to the lovely Kingston upon Thames. I made a time lapse with my GoPro, worked out pretty good, so I decided I'd put it on this vlog for you. And today, as I walked along the riverfront on a beautiful sunny day, I encountered a boat. And I thought this would be the most appropriate home for the lovely, wonderful vegan dolls. As you can tell, this boat is situated on the Thames, and the person behind this boat is clearly very creative, having put a red gnome in the boat's window. And also, if you go to the top deck, you will be able to indulge in a tea for two overlooking the river, with a load of creatures engaged in all sorts of boating activity. Like I said, I thought this would be an appropriate place for the vegan dolls to call home. I hope you enjoy this vlog today. I will see you on the flip side, as Bubba says. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.